Welcome back to Learn JavaScript on Codecademy. We're in the Advanced Objects section. This is Property Value Shorthand. ES6 introduced some new shortcuts for assigning properties to variables known as destructuring. In the previous exercise, we created a factory function that helped us create objects. We had to assign each property a key and value, even though the key name was the same as the parameter name we assigned to it. To remind ourselves, here's a truncated version of the factory function. We have const monster factory is assigned this factory function with a name and age, and returns an object with name assigned as the name parameter and age assigned as whatever's passed into age. Imagine if we had to include more properties. That process would quickly become tedious, but we can use a destructuring technique called property value shorthand to save ourselves some keystrokes. The example below works exactly like the example above. So here we see they removed the colon and the key value. Since they both use the same name, it makes sense to just write it once. And this will accomplish the same thing as this, except it saves us time. Notice that we don't have to repeat ourselves for property assignments. Our instructions say, use the property value shorthand and refactor the factory function in main.js. Let's zoom out and do that. Run it. And we do pass. And what we're learning here, property value shorthand, is a part of the new shortcuts introduced in ES6 known as destructuring. And it allows us to save some keystrokes, as it shows here in this example. As long as you're understanding that, then you're getting this lesson, and I'll see you in the next one.